web design class. Now this is the first video, which is the day one of the web design class. How can you join this class? Just follow the link, the WhatsApp link that will be sent on this video. Just follow it, click the link, you will join the web design class. Now what is the essence of joining the web design class? It's different from you just watching the video here on YouTube. On the web design class, you'll be getting the materials for creating all these things that we are going to be doing, like the themes, because definitely when designing your website you need to buy a premium themes, but we are going to be giving you all these themes for free. All the application, the software you will need, we are going to be giving you guys all this for free on the web design class. You see the reason why you need to option in for the class? Yes, that is the reason why. So it's different from you just watching it here on the YouTube channel. So click and join the class so that you can get all the materials and the step-by-step process on how to do all these things. Take note, at the end of this course, the certificate is going to be awarded. Yes, this certificate. Now, before you sell or before you become a web designer, what are the basic things that you need to know? Did you just wake up and start designing websites? No, there are some basics that we are going to be teaching you. This is the day one of the lesson of the training web design class. This is the day one. So every day videos are going to be dropped on this web design class. So I want you to subscribe. Click on the red button there which says subscribe, so that you can be getting a daily alert of the videos immediately they are being posted, so that you will not be backward in the class. Now we are going to be teaching you basis of a web design. I know a lot of you guys will be wondering, what is this web design? What is web design? Web design, web design. Yes guys, a web design is a set of related web pages located under a single domain name, typically produced by a single person organization. Guys, forget that English, let me just tell you, those are grammar. What is a web design? Just the same way you put books in the shelf, you arrange books in the shelf, that is the same thing, or that is the same concept of a web design. So you are putting your content on a web server, and that content you are putting, you need a name for them to be able to access those contents, and that name is called the domain name, and the domain name is your business name. For example, the jmulticomset.com, that is the domain name of jmulticomset. Now that domain name, when you want to access anything concerning jmulticomset, you want to access our services, our location, our contact, you want to place order, what do you need to do? You go to the URL. We are going to be teaching you the URL, but if you check on the image, the first image which says that has the http www, yes, that bar where you will see on your web browser https/www, that bar is called the URL, the Uniform Resource Locator. That is where you will put in the domain name of that company. I hope that is clear, guys. Yes. Now, since you want to access a book in the shelf in the library, what do? You know the name already. You must know the name of the book. You must know the serial, the line there you can get the books. You must know all those ones before you can go to the library and get that book. So how can you get a file or an information of any website? You must know the name of the website, which is the domain name of that website. Like for example, I told you www.thejmulticomset.com. that is our domain name. Now you have access to the name. What do? You put it in the URL, the Uniform Resource Locator, and the Uniform Resource Locator will now search for it on the World Wide Web. Yes, which is the www. So what am I trying to say? A website is just a collection of all the files of a company, their services, their location, their contact, everything that concerns the company is just the file of the company. So you will not place it on a web page on the www, which is the World Wide Web, so that anybody in the entire world can locate it. If you see the image, the first image we have there is website exists here. Now this is the World Wide Web. If you see it, that is carrying the hand and the www, that is the World Wide Web. What exists there? Websites, all the websites in the world, any website, jumia.com, any website you think about, all the websites in the whole world, they are being stored in the www, which is the World Wide Web. Now if you go to the second image, you see that is the earth. The earth means humans live here. The same way files, websites of companies, of individuals lives in the World Wide Web, the same thing, human being lives on what? Planet Earth. So take it, just look at the picture of what a web design is. So you see guys, this is what very easy to understand. I hope I'm clear with the explanation. Now let's go to the next, which is the next highlighted what heading there, which is what is a domain name. Yes, a domain name is your website name, just like I said before, the jmulticomset.com. That is the name of what? The what? Website. So a domain name is your company name, your organization name, your business name that you want people to go through to access the files, the content people have, the services, all the things people are rendering. That is the name. If I want to go to Jumia website to order, I'll just type in on my browser jumia.com.ng. I'm already on Jumia. So that is the name. Jumia.